Today we're going to be talking about the kind of objections that your client avatar may be giving to you. Welcome to Workshop Wednesday. So before we start, this series of videos is all about completing this. Make sure you comment below and we'll get it sent to you. Objections. Now when we talk about objections with Mike, we're talking about him being our ideal customer. So our ideal customer is not always going to be someone who says, yes, let me just buy your product, let's have it now. The ideal customers are going to have objections too. So let's talk about a little bit of the kind of objections built with questions that they're going to have. So one of the objections is going to be about how he's going to get a return on investment. Objection about getting his staff to buy in. We've talked before about how it was difficult for him to get the staff to change, so integrating something new like digital and social media within the business can be difficult. Implementation time. How long is this new method or this new product and service going to take to bed in within his business? How long is it going to take for his staff to take it on board? And how long is it going to take for him to start to get a return on investment from it? Potential customer interpretation. So with new methods and using social and digital, how are his potential customers going to take a different kind of method, a different way of them being sold to? It's something that he's obviously, being an astute businessman, is going to look at that and say, right, well, I need to make sure that my customers are going to be comfortable with the way that I'm now going to sell to them. And finally, one of the biggest things, because we're a LinkedIn agency and your LinkedIn account is your LinkedIn account, one of the biggest things that we always hear from sales directors is, we don't own their account. And that's an objection that we have to overcome, because that is something that each LinkedIn account belongs to an individual person outside of the business pages. So that is something that Mike is going to have to take into account when it comes to staff attrition. As always, thanks for watching. You can follow me on LinkedIn, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please comment below and let me know what your client avatar's biggest objection they give is. Next week on Workshop Wednesday, we're going to be looking about what influences your avatar.